Hello everyone, good evening. I, Tuesha, welcome you all to this webinar. So, many of us feel that we lack confidence while we speak or we become hesitant. But ऐसा होता क्यों है? क्या आपने कभी सोचा है? Why do we lack confidence while we speak? Why does this happen? We often think that the person whom we are speaking to is experienced than us, knows better than us, and thus we become nervous. And we start developing the fear of being judged. हम यही सोचते रह जाते हैं कि सामने वाला इंसान हमारे बारे में क्या सोच रहा है एंड दस पहले ही हमें लगता था हमारा सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस कम है और ऊपर से thinking what the other person is thinking about us makes us feel even more nervous and it becomes even more harder for us to put the words together. So what do we do now? Ab kiya kya jaye? How can I improve my confidence of speaking in public or even to people around us? कई लोगों को लगता है that they are hesitant when they speak in public, but many people even feel that they are not able to speak to people around them. So, first of all, let's just stop feeling inferior. अपने आप को दूसरों से कम समझना बंद कीजिए. If we stop thinking that we know less than the person whom we are speaking to, then it will automatically make us feel calm and reduce our nervousness. और हमारी ये nervousness और भी बढ़ जाती है when we speak in English, because we think कि हमें English नहीं आती है, we don't know how to speak in English, and हमारा nervousness और भी बढ़ जाता है, anxiety और भी बढ़ जाती है. So, what do we do to improve our fluency in English? What I myself do is watch English web series. There are so many good web series available. आप देख सकते हैं. If you are not able, if you are not able to understand in the starting, so you can switch on the subtitles and you can read the subtitles and try to understand in the starting. And थोड़े weeks बाद you will see the change. You can switch off the subtitles and you start understanding what they speak. पहले हमें समझ में नहीं आएगा because their base is high, but बाद में you'll be able to see the change in you. Another thing, what I do is whenever I'm free, I start listening to English music. अगर आपको English music नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो lyrics देखिए. Lyrics are very easily available on net. तो आप किसी भी song की lyrics भी देख सकते हैं. And you'll be able to, आप जितना ज़्यादा English सुनते जाएंगे, उतना ज़्यादा you'll be able to speak fluently. Stand in front of the mirror and start speaking. It will definitely boost your confidence. And this I do myself. I myself stand in front of the mirror and start speaking. It develops my confidence when you speak. So these are some things which I myself do and which you people can also do. जब भी हमारी तबीयत खराब होती है तो हम डॉक्टर के पास में जाते हैं and doctors हमें medicines देते हैं. So give yourselves doses of positive thinking. Think positive. Do not think that you cannot speak. You are not confident. Don't think that. Give yourselves doses of I will, doses of I can, and doses of I must. Think positive. Do not think that you cannot speak. And start practicing. हम एग्जाम देने जाते हैं तो हम किसी सम को या किसी भी चीज को बहुत बार प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं और वही सब एग्जाम में आ जाता है तो उसे देखते ही पकड़ लेते हैं भाई ये तो मैंने बहुत बार कर रखा है and I can do that very easily. So that only happens. And we should also not be nervous or afraid in keeping our opinion in front of others. We should not be afraid. कई लोग होते हैं they don't speak in front of others because they feel afraid to keep their opinion. No, we shouldn't do that. And even today, when I take part in debate competitions and in elocution, I too feel nervous. बहुत डर लगता है. But practice makes me feel less nervous and it boosts my confidence. So all these steps you can definitely do to improve your confidence. And like I have already said, speaking in front of the mirror will help you a lot. And confidence. When we talk about confidence, confidence सिर्फ बोलते वक्त ही नहीं होना चाहिए. We need confidence everywhere. Confidence is required everywhere. जब हम एग्जाम देने जाते हैं, we need confidence to answer a question. We need confidence to be sure about that particular question. Confidence is required there. When we do a new startup, we need confidence. We need confidence to decide whether this step of mine will prove helpful to me in the future or not. So confidence is required everywhere. And confidence does not only come on being right. सिर्फ सही होने से ही confidence नहीं आता है. We should not be afraid of being wrong, and not being afraid of being wrong also gives us confidence. So this was all which I wanted to tell you, and I, Kvesha, outlined 6 keywords as my name consists of 6 letters. T. T stands for train yourself. Train yourself, keep on practicing. V. Visualize your dreams. E. Empower yourself with knowledge. You can read English newspapers. You can gain as much knowledge as you can. And that will help you a lot. Believe me, that is going to help you. S. Speak moderately. Like when we speak too fast, when our pace is too fast, people are not able to understand what we speak. But when we speak too slow, people get bored, and thus the attention which is required when you speak is not there. And stand tall. You might not know, or you might not know its significance, but your body language, your facial expressions prove helpful in attracting the people towards you. So you should have that personality, have that body posture in you, so that the people can hold on to what you are saying. So that is required. 8. Have faith and do hard work. Faith in yourselves. Believe in yourself. That is even more required. We set so many examples. We set so many people as our inspiration. But you yourself are the biggest inspiration for yourself. You should set yourself as the inspiration for others and for yourself. So, खुद को ही खुद की प्रेरणा बनाए. A. Aim at acting positive. As I've already told, be positive. Do not think that you cannot do it. Do not think that you do not have confidence. And another thing which you can do is, when you sleep at night, I think the voice is echoing. Please everyone mute yourself. Yeah. So when we speak at night, you can say to yourself the goal which you have set up for yourself, short-term goals or long-term goals, you can speak to yourself. And then in the morning, when you wake up, you can say, I am the best. I have confidence in myself. I can do wonders. And seriously, you will see wonders happening. Even today, when I was coming live, so I had that nervousness coming along with me. I too was having that nervousness. I am having my pre-boards, but if I am able to motivate even one of you, then I will pass my life exam. So I hope what I spoke and shared helps you to some extent. You can develop your confidence and practice the steps which I have told you, and they will help you do wonders. And instead of crying that I don't know how to speak in English, I don't know how to boost up my confidence, we should start searching for the measures which can help us.